Hey everyone, and I'm here with the computers known as the Dell, the Gateway, and the Custom Built. And I'm going to show you the setup, my new computer setup, because I cleaned my desk the other day. When I came down, you see the Dell is now right here. Here's all the cords that plug it in are all right there. I moved this monitor right here because it's my best monitor. That I got both of the speakers hooked up to each computer. This what gives me the internet. Hold on. Let me find out on that thing that gives me the internet. Kind of fell on the floor. Yep, that's what gives me the internet to my computers, because I got the drivers for them. I gotta set it a certain way so it'll reach a signal in the other room over there. Somehow this laptop, this desk could hold the monitor, even though there's a little bad spot right there. But it ain't nothing. And I put the keyboard on top so it don't be out the way, so it don't be all in the way. And I boot them up every once in a while to keep the drives working. Like turn them all on just to keep the hard drives and stuff going. Because I read on the internet if you don't use your computer and turn it on every so often, the hard drives will die. I don't know how it come here much, because due to school and work, and normally when I get extra time off I try to come down to visit these machines, make sure they're still running. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys later.